There are many products available to choose best kitchen gadgets, make everything easy, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read done of reviews, and compiled a list from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. 2 lids, 2 straws, 1 perfect tumbler for every sip. The drinking glass is equipped with dual lid and straw. Natural bamboo lid is perfect for everyday use at home and work. And PP leak-proof lid is ideal for active lifestyles like commuting with spill-resistant security. Switch lids to match your mood or activity. 2 stainless steel straws. Slim one is designed for sipping water, juice, tea, or iced coffee effortlessly. Wide one is thick enough for smoothies, shakes, or chia drinks. Easy to clean glass cups with lids and straws. kytffu drinking cups are made from borosilicate glass, which is dishwasher safe, heat-resistant, and odor-free. Withstands extreme temperature changes without cracking or shattering. Safe for freezing cold drinks, ice water, smoothies, and steaming hot beverages, coffee, tea. The spacious opening, wide mouth, allows easy entry for sponges, brushes, or even your hand, ensuring every corner, including the rim and base, is reached without straining. Iced coffee cup, smoothie cup, and so on. 1 glass tumbler with straw and lid for your morning coffee, afternoon smoothie, and night herbal tea. Modern water bottle glass with minimalist charm. Suits offices, gyms, picnics, or home use. Gym goers, smoothie lovers, and commuters will appreciate the leak-proof design and multifunctional lids. Slim profile fits most holders, ideal for road trips. So just turn the 24-ounce glass tumbler into a kitchen essential, fitness sidekick, or travel buddy. Glass tumbler with silicone sleeve, designed for secure handling. The sleeve offers 360 degrees coverage of your glass tumbler, ensuring a snug, non-slip fit. Crafted from durable, food-grade silicone, it shields the glass water bottle from scratches, bumps, and minor drops. And the other sleek sleeve combines style and practicality with a transparent window that allows you to see drink levels, ice cubes, or colorful contents through the window. What you'll get: our glass cup set comes with a glass cup covered with a silicone protective sleeve, 2 lids, 1 natural bamboo lid, and 1 leak-proof PP lid. 2 stainless steel straws include soft silicone tips to protect your teeth and lips. You can switch between the 2 lids and straws according to the occasions and preferences. If there is any problem with your glass water bottles or the lid is damaged within 6 months, you can contact us at any time for a replacement. Stay hydrated and eco-conscious with the kytffu 24-ounce glass cup with lid and straw, the perfect companion for your favorite beverages on the go. Whether you're sipping on a refreshing iced coffee, clean all parts except the bamboo lid, are dishwasher safe. For best results, hand wash the bamboo lid and allow it to dry completely after each use. Fill the cup, pour in your drink of choice, hot or cold. Ideal for iced coffee, tea, smoothies, fruit-infused water, or fresh juices. Seal with the lid. Place the bamboo lid on top. Ensure the silicone ring is fitted correctly for a snug, spill-resistant seal. Insert straw. Slide the glass straw through the designated straw hole in the lid. Sip and enjoy. Take it with you on your walk, drive, or workday. Hydration has never looked so good. Clean with care. Rinse after use or pop in the dishwasher, excluding lid. Use the included straw cleaner or a narrow brush for deep cleaning. Ideal for various drinks. Iced coffee and lattes, protein shakes, and smoothies, fruit-infused waters, fresh juices, or lemonades, milk teas, or match our wrapped gift makes a thoughtful gift for coffee and smoothie lovers, eco-conscious friends, and family, students, and professionals on the go, fitness and wellness enthusiasts, birthdays, holidays, or housewarming occasions. Triangular product specifications. Material: borosilicate glass, bamboo, silicone color, amber capacity, 24 ounces, 710 milliliters. Straw material, reusable glass sleeve material. BPA-free food-grade silicone lid material. Natural bamboo with silicone gasket cleaning. Dishwasher-safe glass and straw only. Hand wash lid, make a small change with a big impact. By choosing the kytffu glass tumbler, you're making a step toward reducing plastic waste and embracing eco-friendly living. Each sip supports a cleaner, greener planet. Upgrade your drinkware collection with this stylish, spill-resistant, and sustainable amber glass tumbler by kytffu. Whether you're at home or on the move, it's the perfect solution to keep your drinks fresh and your routine hassle-free. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.